has successfully test-fired its newest A235 long-range anti-missile missile. Airspace Review: the Anti-Missile Defense Force, part of the Air Defense AMP, Missile Defense Command of the Russian Aerospace Defense Forces has finished testing the A235 Nudol at the Sary Shagan test site in Kazakhstan, the Russian Defense Ministry reported. The A235 is an anti-ballistic missile defense system as a replacement for the A135, NATO ABM4 Gorgon system, which has been in operation since 1995, stationed in silos around the capital city of Moscow. As the main developer of this system is JSC concern VKO Almaz Antey. What distinguishes the A325 system from its predecessor the A135 is that it can use conventional or nuclear warheads and mobile models. The A235 system will use the Don-2N as well as the Don-2N P5 and 20P radar as the range radar, with updated software and hardware. However, it uses a guidance system complex similar to the A135 system. The A235 system uses the new PRS-1M 45T6 missile, which is a modernized variant of the PRS-1,53T6, which can hit targets at a range of 350 km and an altitude of up to 50 km. The system uses a two-stage missile carrying a high explosive or nuclear warhead, which gives it the ability to shoot down even hypersonic ballistic and cruise missiles. In addition, the A235 system can also be used as a weapon to destroy low-orbit satellites in space. Reportedly, on November 15, 2021, the missile succeeded in destroying the Cosmos 1408 satellite and causing space debris to form.